Hey everybody, this is Ken from RecPro, and today we're going to replace an electrical control board for the AC 3800 and 3501. If you're unsure what you're doing or don't feel comfortable with doing it, make sure you contact a local professional to do this for you. The tools that you're going to need for this will be a Phillips head bit and impact, needle nose pliers. Before anything else is done, make sure you turn off the main power going to the unit. This replacement should only take you 15 to 20 minutes. Let's get straight into it. You'll need to remove the shroud on the AC unit. This is held on by 6 Phillips head screwdrivers. For more details on where those are at or how to do this, click the link in the description below. Now that the shroud is off, we'll need to locate the main electrical box. This is right next to the compressor. To get into the main electrical box, you'll need to remove the cover. This is held on by 6 Phillips head screws. The cover should slide straight off once these are removed. Now that you can see the main electrical board, we recommend taking as many pictures as you need so you make sure you wire it exactly the same way. Now that you've taken all your pictures, start removing the wires with the needle nose pliers. Then you just need to locate the 4 Phillips head screws that are holding the board in place. Then the board will slide straight out around the wires. All you have to do now is put the new board in, screw it back into place, and reconnect all your wires using the pictures as a reference. Then just place the cover back onto the main electrical board box, screw it back into place, and reattach the shroud. As you can see, this was a quick and easy replacement, and again, should only take you about 15 to 20 minutes. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure you like and subscribe. And remember, when you're rolling down the road, roll with RecPro.